Hello and welcome to Space Tech Lion. Today, we're going to talk about the James Webb Space Telescope, as it celebrates its first anniversary in changing our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST for short, is a joint project between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. It's designed to be the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, which has been in orbit since 1990 and has made numerous discoveries about the universe. But the James Webb Space Telescope is much more powerful than Hubble. It's equipped with a primary mirror that is more than 6 times larger, which means it can collect more light and see farther into space. It's also equipped with a suite of advanced instruments, including a spectrograph that can analyze the chemical composition of distant objects. The primary mission of the James Webb Space Telescope is to study the birth and evolution of galaxies, stars, and planets. It will be able to look back in time to when the universe was just a few hundred million years old, and help us understand how galaxies and stars formed and evolved over billions of years. On December 25, NASA's James Webb Space Telescope launched on a mission to seek out the earliest light in the universe. After successfully separating from the Ariane 5 rocket, the JWST deployed its solar array to begin its month-long trek to its L2 home about 1 million miles from Earth. On December 28, 3 days after the launch, the Sun Shield deployment started. The James Webb Space Telescope successfully unfurled its massive Sun Shield on December 31st, marking a significant milestone in its long and complex deployment campaign. On January 25, 1 month after its launch, the James Webb Space Telescope reached its final destination, the L2 Lagrange point, after an almost 1 million mile (1.5 million kilometers) journey from Earth. NASA unveiled the first image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope on February 11. The photo shows a star called HD 84406 as seen through each of the observatory's 18 golden mirror segments as scientists work to align the mirrors to produce a single ultra-crisp image of the universe. The 3-month process of aligning the James Webb Space Telescope's instruments and mirrors was finally completed on April 29, 2022. On July 12, U.S. President Joe Biden and NASA Administrator Bill Nelson revealed the first science-quality image taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. The image, known as Webb's first deep field, shows an ultra-sharp, ultra-deep view of the universe, capturing a galaxy cluster as it appeared 4.6 billion years ago. It is the deepest infrared view of the universe to date. The image was made possible by the combination of the telescope's powerful optics and the technique of gravitational lensing, which allowed it to see the galaxy cluster as it appeared 4.6 billion years ago. In addition to Webb's first deep field, the James Webb Space Telescope also captured a new image of Stephan's Quintet, a group of 5 galaxies. 3 of these galaxies have elongated, spiral-like shapes caused by the interactions of the galaxies, some of which are expected to collide in the distant future. The James Webb Space Telescope's second image shows the Southern Ring Nebula. The image on the left was taken by the telescope's NIR-CAM instrument and shows the nebula in near-infrared light, while the image on the right was taken by the MIRI instrument and shows the nebula in mid-infrared light. On July 14, NASA released new images of Jupiter, as well as some of its rings and moons, taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. These images brought the telescope's observations closer to home and provided a new perspective on our solar system. On July 21, 1 week after the James Webb Space Telescope released its first science images, astronomers detected galaxies at a redshift of 13, corresponding to approximately 300 million years after the Big Bang. Soon after, new results suggested that astronomers may have made detections up to a redshift of 20, which would represent galaxies that existed just 200 million years after the Big Bang. These findings, if confirmed, would provide a glimpse into the very early universe. On October 21, 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope had been in space for nearly 10 months and was performing exceptionally well, despite some minor issues. This was welcome news for astronomers, as the telescope had made some impressive observations, including a new view of the iconic Pillars of Creation, which was previously captured by the Hubble Space Telescope. On November 17, 2022, the James Webb Space Telescope observed a glowing cosmic hourglass filled with vibrant colors and containing a young, developing star, or protostar, at its center. The James Webb Space Telescope is an incredible feat of engineering and science, and it has the potential to make discoveries that will change our understanding of the universe. We can't wait to see what it will find, and we'll be sure to keep you updated on its progress. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more science and technology content.